Welcome guy for the new video. Today I want to share about how to find CapCut templates for use for Play TikTok, Add Story Facebook or Instagram Reels. If you want to edit the videos easy or for look cool and new style by the templates in CapCut, please watching the full videos. And if you're the new viewer in my channel, help subscribe and share for make sure you not miss my videos about tricks and tips. Thanks you. First you make sure install or download CapCut already. And then go to search in Google and search CapCut templates and click the second link here. It's open. So, you can see and find a lot of templates that have a lot songs and a lot styles. And you can use the template that you like that you think it look cool. Click on templates that you like and open. That will open the CapCut app and click Use Templates and select some photos or videos. So, when you choose already it automatically makes videos. You can export for save the videos on your device and share on your social media. Thanks you for watching my videos. If you like this video please subscribe for make sure you don't miss my videos. Thanks you.